Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make homemade mustard. Cue the music. Alright, well, I appreciate you being here today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like on whatever platform you are viewing this on. Like I said, we're going to be making homemade mustards. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with 3/4 cup of yellow mustard powder, 1 cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. All right, let's start mixing this up. All right, make sure you've got yourself a bowl big enough for everything. I'm going to add the water in first, and then we'll blend in our mustard powder. Make sure this is well blended and all the lumps are out before you start adding everything else. We'll go ahead and put our paprika in, our salt, whoa, our aromatic garlic and onion. Stir all that in so it's lump free. And throw our turmeric in there. This is basically to give it a little bit of that bright color we like. And now, last but not least, our apple cider vinegar. And we're going to take what we've mixed up. I'm going to pour it right into a saucepan. Make sure you get all of it. Let's head over to the stove. And we basically want to get this up to a little bit of a boil. Alright, it's starting to simmer. I'm going to turn it down. Boil. So I'm just going to turn this down to a little bit of a simmer. And we're going to let this just heat up and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. That will also thicken it a little bit and intensify some of the flavor. So I'll just be checking on this every now and then. And when we come back after this transition, you will see the finished product. Alright, we've got our mustard. You can see in our pan there. As you can see, it's thickened up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take it over. We're going to do our photo shoot with it. Come back, we're going to taste this. Alright, well there you see it. You can see the photos there, and also right here how that mustard spread ever so nicely on this bread. It smells like mustard. Let's see if it tastes like mustard. Just going to use this little knife here, so see how well it sticks to that fork. Tastes just like mustard. A little thicker. I could have thinned it out a little bit more when we cooked it. It came down. It reduced a little bit and got thicker. Got a little bit of a bite to it too. I like that. But you can add different elements to this. Jalapeno juice. You can add pepper to it to make it more hot with a different flavor profiles if you want. But basic, simple recipe for mustard. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to go to my spice shop over on itsonlyfood.biz. The recipe for this is in the first pinned comment and in the description box. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.